Oh, you got tangled, AJ. Are you grabbing on? Grab onto the back handles. Ow! Damn it. Run, Nathan, run! The pole! Are you going tummy first? Mommy, get out of her way. You don't know that. Yep. I still got 5. AJ, get out of the way.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't you, I win, yay! 5. Let's see what's now. 2 people. 1, 2, 3. You. You're getting a lot closer. You missed it. I came all the way from the top hill. Where'd Sally go? Sally, where'd you go?
You want to sit here?
Not really.
Ma, you want to sit here?
Not really.
I'm being anti-productive.
Okay, let's go.
Ready? No, Marsh, lean back. Yeah, lean
Lean back, Masha, into me.
Okay.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Go backwards!
Try again. That was not very successful. Wait, move, wait. Half second.
2 seconds!
Maybe I'm left.
Maybe, let's see. There was a reason for that. Looks good though, looks good. My 3.
What over the hell?
Where was that? You almost got it.
Yeah, actually, that's true. We should have walked on the street. Look at that! Careful with the got him trapped on there. If you hit... Bam! I got her foot! Oh, I'm good! God, I'm on a roll today.
You're right.
Hey, gosh. Time to do it.
Okay, Sally, okay, we opened it. Sally. Okay, Sally, okay, we opened it. Sally.
I don't know what it is, but it's like that one single light. Where did they go?
Awesome. Good. Put the arms into the other two.
I'm pulling it together. Hello. Hello. Yoo-hoo.